Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are in the E36, the $500, $600, somewhere around there is kind of how much I got this for. Long story short, I don't know if I mentioned it in the previous video, but I traded a blown up Subaru for this. This isn't much better, but it runs and drives, and I've always wanted an E36, so I guess that's on the bright side. Sorry for the wind noise in the last video. I don't know where that came from. I had the mic plugged in, so I have no idea. But yeah, today we are in the E36. I got a few parts that I'd like to unbox on camera. They are from Amazon, so they're not that crazy. As you can probably imagine, getting car parts from Amazon, they're not that crazy. But I am going to unbox them here on camera. And if you're curious why I haven't ordered anything bigger for this car, it's kind of me just waiting to see what I'm going to do with this car and the direction I want to go with it before I order stuff for it. I don't want to make it super nice in some aspect, like exterior, and then have the interior beat to shit. The interior needs a lot of work. I'll go more into that in a separate video because I still haven't done a full overview on this car. But today I do want to unbox these parts and install them on the E36. They are going to be in this cockpit area. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first package, I don't remember what this is. This might be a shift adapter kit, and I think that's what it is. It should be this. I believe that's what this is. So this is a shift adapter kit. I'll open it up in a second. I am going to switch the angle so it's on that side, so the steering wheel isn't blocking the view when I actually install this. So this is an adapter, and I'll explain why I have this in a second. Alright, so we got a black weighted Mishimoto shift knob here. So you can probably tell what we're doing today, hence why I need the adapter, but we'll open this up in a second. Okay, I actually don't know what these are. These look too small to be side markers, so I'm curious what this is. I guess we'll find out. I don't know what I ordered that was like that. I guess this is just an invoice. Yeah. Okay, so they are what I thought they were. We'll go into that in a second. Let's get all this trash picked up and throw it in the back seat. And I'm going to switch angles because this is kind of awkward trying to install it here. Alright, so we're now in the passenger seat of the E36, and again, excuse the wind noise. I don't think there's going to be much, but if there is, I apologize. So first up, we got this Mishimoto shift knob here. This is the weighted one. I kind of just spoiled myself on this and spent like an unnecessary amount of like 50 bucks, maybe it was 40, on a shift knob just because whatever. It's one of those things that's not a pain in the ass to like swap over. So, alright, we got basic little packaging here. We got these little plastic adapters, so that's kind of for whatever you decide to thread it onto. And shit, that doesn't look that big, dude. I don't know, that may not work. I'm just hoping that everything goes smoothly, we'll see. But here is the shift knob that is fucking heavy, dude. This got some weight to it. This is going to be nice. It's actually not as big as I thought it would be, which is nice. I'm glad it's not as big as I thought it would be, but it's going to be a nice addition to the car for sure. Okay, so this is the little adapter, I believe. I don't know if this is all going to work out. I kind of just assumed. I blindly bought this stuff, assuming that everything would go smoothly. We'll see, I guess. We'll figure it out. If it doesn't work, it's not a big deal. We can just send shit back. But I believe, ooh, that is not going to work, unfortunately. Fuck, man. Well, I thought this would go a lot better. Yeah, there's no way that's gonna work. Fuck, this sucks. Well, I guess I'll try it anyways. It's not gonna work, but bummer. Alright, well, unfortunately, the shift adapter is not big enough for that short shifter, but I did get these side markers in. They fit like fucking garbage. They're not even big enough, but they work better than not having them at all, so really, there's no hole there anymore. It's clear. This side, actually, I had to take the rubber. You can see there's like this little rubber weather stripping. I don't have it on the other side because it just really wouldn't clip in, and I got frustrated, so I just bent the clip and shoved it in there and then didn't put the weather stripping back on. So one does, one doesn't. I'm done with it. I do want to go find, I had some on order, but they're on back order for some reason, so I might just cancel the order. I'm gonna go find some clips here to get this side trim. I may be making a pick and pull run today. I have no idea. Hopefully, I don't know. I might do it, I may not. It's already kind of late, so I might go to pick and pull really quick and go check it out. Otherwise, I'll stay home and just look at this shit. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a few days when I order the correct part.